Alright, first of all, you see this mustache? That doesn't mean I let myself go. That means I'm just self-quarantined. So, actually, I can shave, but I'm choosing not to shave because I'm just like, I want to see how much my beard can grow within this time frame of just like me staying home because I won't see anyone anyways. Yeah. Hi guys, alright, Tun here, back again. So today I thought I could do something, another tutorial again, a Photoshop tutorial today about how to match colors in Photoshop. One follower of mine requested it to me a long time back, and I've been meaning to do this video, and I haven't been finding the right pictures. I haven't been finding the right picture to elaborate on this topic until today, because I'm gonna be using this picture. Because this picture allowed me to use a lot of I would say ways to showcase how you can match colors in Photoshop. So I'll be teaching you guys how I match the subject with the background of the shot. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so the tip today which I'll give you guys is to use tone curves to match colors in Photoshop. And how do I do that? For this picture in general, right, I just use tone curves to generally match my subject to the background. So let's just say, for example, this picture. Alright, Amanda is actually right now, she's not blended to the background, she's still dark, right? So what did I do was I took the tone curve, because the background in general is a more reddish, I would say reddish and more bright, in general. So basically what I did was I brought the tone curve up, as you can see, the highlights up a bit, and after that I brought the reds up slightly, even the shadows of the reds I brought it up. Then after that I brought the greens slightly up, not too much, and I brought the blues down because it's not that bluish much, and thus the way she blends in with the background. And of course I gave it a bit of a S-curve just for a slight contrast. Yeah, that's all. What more did I do? Alright, so this plane which I placed in this picture is a great example of how I blend this plane into the background. So you see, if you just place the plane there, it doesn't seem to blend into the background because it's just white, and it doesn't, the temperature of the plane, or like how I would describe it, is like the look of the plane doesn't seem to be part of the background to begin with. So basically I just drag the tone curve all the way down, my RGB tone curve, and I just follow the same curve as how I did to Amanda, which is I drag the reds up, drag the greens slightly up, and drag the blues down. Okay. By the way, if you're new to this channel, feel free to go subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button down below, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please feel free to follow me on Instagram at tun_2x. And alright, back to the video. Okay, now on to Aaron. So Aaron is basically, his one is more darkish and more towards the blue, as you can see with the background. So basically what should you do? Basically you open up the tone curve, and what I did was, of course I dragged him down because it's more dark, so I dragged the tone curve down. Then after that I drag my reds down, my greens up, and my blues all like more tremendously up, because so that he can blend more with the background. Right, a quick note, when you're using the tone curve, remember to click the arrow icon that press down, so that it can select the certain image which you want to just change. Because if you don't press it, it will just change the overall image in general, and you're not changing the specific image which you want to change to begin with. So remember, click the arrow button to indicate that you've selected this image and that you only want to change this image. So anyway, I think that's the video in general, just me using tone curves to match my subject to the background. And that's how I generally match colors into in Photoshop. In a way, like I just blend in the shadows, the midtones, and the highlights of the subject to a certain background which I have selected, and just match them all together, just to show that okay, the subject is kind of like inside the picture, but not really. But it gives this surreal effect when you like use the tone curve to play around, so that the subject can match the shadows, midtones, and the highlights can match the background, and thus making her or him inside the photo. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something. If you guys have learned something, please feel free to share. Please feel free to give me a comment down below on what you want to see next, what tutorial you want to see next from me. And yeah, hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy. I know during this period it's hard, but we all can do this together. And yeah, we all can, just go through this crisis. Alright, see you guys, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.